Welcome guys, my name is David Pindo. They also call me TipsWithDav, and today's Monday. I am about to get ready. I'm actually in the process of getting ready for a vacation, but I wanted to come out with this video today for you guys on basically how to have the right mindset firstly, and why you should go all in an online business or any kind of business that you're in. I'm gonna really get into some details, and I'm gonna bring in a bit of the past, talk about the future, show you my direction, and I want to come out with this quote which I did myself. It's something that I'm going to be posting on Instagram, but I wanted to give you guys some valuable content first. So if you do want to follow me on Instagram, if you do want to follow me on Twitter and Facebook and stuff like that, links are in the description of this video, okay? In case you want to make sure that you're in contact with the things that I'm doing. Guys, I come out here on a daily basis to give you content not only about how you can or what you can do to build a business online and what kind of methods I'm using, but I'm here to share my journey. I'm here to share with you what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis, how I'm building things, and I'm going to show you a productivity hack in my future videos just because I think it's a good, valuable content, especially for a Monday. So next Monday, that's my aim and my goal is to give you guys a productivity hack that you can see that allows you to be focused on activities that are mentioned for you, and it's just going to be useful. Honestly, it's helping me out a lot to get focused and know that the activities that I'm doing are worth it. Today guys, I want to literally talk to you guys about something that is close to my heart. Specifically, I'm from India, okay? So give you guys a little bit of a backstory. And this is what the story is going to end up with. To see the end of the tunnel, you need to accelerate the pace forward. You need to push through to get that light. You know, you see the darkness, but you know you're going the right way because the end of the tunnel, there's going to be a light, right? And your aim should be going towards that. Now you need to define your why, and that is the light at the end of the tunnel, and you should be running towards it when you know what it is. Okay, to grab hold of it. I'm going to share a story with you. This is before I got online, actually, and even while I was online, I used many techniques, even though I was failing online, and that's why I say I never actually failed online, even though my story is that I failed 4 years online to make any income, but there was a big difference. Okay, I failed in internet marketing, but I didn't fail online. I used the strategies that I learned in order for me to implement in my business, which I started on my own with a couple of friends in India, and we took it step ahead, right? And so I've seen the hustle, I know the feeling, and I let go of it in order for me to move to the other side of the world. Okay, I'm in the Czech Republic right now, so I had to start over in a different way, and I wanted to focus, and I still want to focus online because my dream is simple. My dream is simple. And the more I shared with you guys my dream, the more I feel also that it is the right thing that I'm doing and I'm going towards it. So it is a tunnel at the end of my, it's a light at the end of my tunnel, okay? And it's literally I need to accelerate forward. The dream is this, guys, okay? To be at home, have my own online business, work from my computer, be able to spend my time with my kids. If when I do have kids, I don't need to have kids, and things like that. Okay, so definitely building this YouTube channel is in the long term. I'm not focused on some short-term goals. I know that is slow, steady, and consistency that will get my the message across to people. So if you're wondering why I'm blabbering on for so long, today is Mindset Monday for me. Today is Mindset Monday. Okay, I'm going to share with you guys a quick thing, and hopefully you get it. Okay, so I'm going to go to something that I have right here. Okay, it's my marketing plan basically, and I want to show you here. You see, video theme is on Mindset Monday, and even my email goes out with Mindset Monday. This is one of my productivity hacks. I can show it to you on another day. I can share it with you guys also, but this is one of the things that I keep very focused on. Okay, so it gives me this direction, gives me this way to accelerate forward. I need to push that acceleration on this, right? So today's Mindset Monday, and I want to get this across to you. Are you taking action? The difference between, like I said, before I got online and when I got online, is that I always saw success in these different things because I put myself all in. I went all in. I'm going to give you and think about it this way, literally. If I just go ahead and start a business and I pay $5, tomorrow I can start another $5 business and another $5 business and another $5 business. Will I actually be trying anymore? Or I'll be like, I'll do whatever it is, you know? But if you go all in, mentally, spiritually, physically, emotionally, when you go and the people go and take a loan from the bank in order for them to open a business, get the right location, put the effort, put the working hours after the work to maintain the place, to get customers, to have events, keep it afloat, and stuff like that. That's the hustle. And that's something that you look towards, right? You have to go all in. Within the online space, people don't really recognize that. So for example, in my business, with my marketing system, I'm all in. With my main business, I am all in. Okay. The reason why I'm all in is because I believe in the product. I believe in the product completely. Okay. And I have to treat it as a business. So I don't mind spending $500 for a product or annual membership because I'm going all in. Okay. And I have to mentally and physically and emotionally say that to myself. That is what I'm going to do in order for me to treat my business as a business. So I'm going to just share with you a structure guideline, which I think is very valuable. So let's go to that. This is what it is, okay? I'm going to just maybe put myself maybe on this side of the screen so that you guys can see clearly. Okay, great. That's perfect. I am the creator, guys, of the Pro system. Now, the Pro system is a system that I built in May 2018, which is this year, a couple of months ago. I built it out completely for myself because I felt it was time for me to take the step forward and actually do this to help other people much more, be more proactive, record my journey, and just be consistent in my daily function, right? So the Pro system is built on these kind of things, and this is a funded proposal. If you guys don't know what a funded proposal is, you will find it in a Walmart, you will find it in Tesco, you will find it any place that they have a system in place in order for you to spend money. There's an ecosystem. So I'm building an ecosystem for myself in order for me to generate more income for myself. And I have other ecosystems within the ecosystem. Okay, so I'm going to give you a very simple structure around it. First and foremost, you need to have a product or service that you are giving out to the world. Okay, that you're giving out to the world. When you give time for money, your product is money. Your service is your product is time, and your service is time, not the actual thing that you're doing, because you're exchanging time for money, right? In this case, we are building everything passively. What I mean to say is that we're putting things together, having a system in place for us to do the marketing, to do the selling, and everything. So that comes in the second step right here. So this is the first, and this is the second. And then you have the support as the third, and then you have the strategy as the last and final element of the whole funnel. This is how I built the Pro system myself, okay? And the main thing that I focus on week after week after week is this right here. Okay, and I'm going to change this to maybe a different color, maybe put a yellow. No, let's purple. Okay, so you have traffic, which is free traffic. Okay, in my case, okay, free traffic. Maybe be like, free, free, free. Well, I would not focus on free. I focus on free, but there's also paid. Okay, paid traffic. So these are the two things I focus on, which technically go here. Okay, this is where it goes. Everything free and paid go to a link which takes them and shows them my product or service. The marketing system gives them the support and shows them the strategy very openly. And then I make a sale. The moment I make a sale, oh no, it's supposed to go red. Let's go undo red. Sale, right? I'm gonna make a sale. I put a percentage of that into traffic, right? That again does the same thing. And this is a circle that is continuously working in itself for me. Now, this is a leveraging thing that I have. Now, I can build many businesses this way. I can have one affiliate structure, which is what I'm going to be doing, is I'm going to have different funnels for different purposes, right? So this main funnel here is for all my affiliate membership websites, the main programs that I'm in, the programs that I believe are long-term and are going to continuously make an income for me no matter what, which is why I take the effort and time in building them, okay? And then we have the affiliate, which is product after product after product, which I will build smaller funnels and mini funnels for that. If I build a system in this way that there's a machine always generating for me, I can switch it on and switch it off at any point of time, which is why I learned skills like trading cryptocurrency as well in order for me to switch it on and switch it off. So the key element here is to learn how to switch on the machine and switch it off. But for that, you have to learn what the machine consists of and how to build it. And I've taken the time and the effort to show you guys how to put the structures in place. So if you are interested in the Pro system itself, definitely click in the description of this video. You will find a link to the Pro system and also trading methods and directly to the software that I use in order for me to build something like this, okay? And there's a special offer for the people who get the software. I'm going to build a funnel, a small funnel for themselves, and they can use it wherever they want, but they have to get the software before I give them this bonus, okay? Other than that, I do hope you like the content that you're receiving on this video. In fact, in this video, but actually let me know if this makes sense for you, which can you put this together? I want you guys to learn and give you guys the content that makes sense, that you can put these things together. It's not very complicated. Many people have different words and stuff like that for it, but I put it in a very generic way in this video. And if you do understand it, you have any questions about it, let me know in the comment section below. And guys, there's a bell sign when you click on the subscribe button. You can click on it in order for you to get notifications of future videos that I put up, okay? Until then, I'm going to see you guys on the next video. My name is David Pino, and watch out, subscribe to the channel because you're going to get much more.